mechanisms, we have 3 lines. So the first one, okay, we call it first line. Then we have second line. And then we have third line defense mechanisms. So for the first line mechanisms, they are non-specific. Second line, also non-specific. And the third line is a specific, or sometimes we call targeted defense mechanisms. So let us look at some of the examples of first line defense mechanisms here. So examples for the first line mechanism. So we have is actually we are using the physical barrier or chemical barrier to defense. Okay, so what is the physical barrier that we have here? For example, your skin. Okay, your skin protects you from the entry of the pathogens. And whereas for chemical barrier, so such as your sweat, okay, your sweat contains the lysozyme. So lysozyme is a type of digestive enzyme which will digest the cell wall of certain bacteria. And we look at the non-specific, the second line non-specific, it will be phagocytosis. Basically, the phagocyte will carry out the phagocytosis, to defend the body. So normally is when the first line fail. Okay, let's say the first line fail. Then we'll come to the second line. Okay, then we will trigger the second line defense mechanism. So in second line defense mechanism, it will be non-specific. And what is the examples here? Okay, we call the mechanisms. Okay, so phagocytosis. So how is the process of the phagocytosis process? We have this engulf. So it must start with engulf first, then ingest, taking in, digest, and then excrete. Okay, and then we go to the third one, which is the third line defense mechanism, and this one is very specific. So the mechanism that I'm using is actually the antibody. So how is the process here? The antibody, it reacts in few mechanisms here. Okay, the mechanisms, we have the first one, agglutinations. And then we also have this ozonizations. Okay, and then we have neutralizations. And then we have the last one, lysis. Okay, so that basically sum up. This is a summary. Okay, so for the much detail of each of the process, please look into my other video for the detailed process. Okay, so this is the summary, and then it's suitable for the quick revisions. All right, so till then, I see you next time. Bye bye.